Hello and welcome to Good Games Tech. Hello, welcome to Good Games Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the AOC cu34g2x. We know monitors have some of the most ridiculous model numbers known, but this monitor stands out as being an excellent value proposition for a monitor. In the box itself, you don't get too much. You just get the monitor itself, stand, single power cable, and a HDMI cable. That's all you really need, and that's how they can keep the cost down. The monitor itself is packed pretty well, and the packaging seems nice, sturdy. Doesn't feel like you're gonna break this if you're taking it home from the computer store. In terms of gaming, the monitor is really strong. One, it's ultra wide. I think ultra wide monitors are a really great experience for gaming, especially if the game is compatible, and there are quite a few games that have ultra wide resolutions. Secondly, it's 144 Hz. At this resolution, that's really great. And thirdly, what's nice about this is that the monitor comes out of the box really color accurate. You don't have to fiddle around with the settings too much. The blacks are nice and rich, so you get a really good experience as soon as you've connected it and start playing games. We play with it later in the video and you'll see it looks pretty good.
How does it look?
Good. I'm going to have so much more real estate because I have a freaking second monitor.
I meant more like, how do you like the colors? How do you...
No, it's looking good. So
I mean, this will be the ultimate kind of test.
The background kind of throws it off because it's...
Nah, that's a
just the detail in this.
Yeah.
In the face.
And look at the colors and stuff like when you actually get into Modern Warfare.
Because it's one game that I've been playing non-stop, so it's...
Yeah, it's already picked up the res.
The monitor actually covers 119% of the sRGB range, and it actually can achieve 10-bit color depth via dithering. So you can get some pretty good color rendition out of this. But that said, this monitor isn't focused for content creators and color accurate people. This monitor is still pretty much focused on gaming, but you can get some pretty decent results if you're doing some light editing or content creation. So my friend has actually owned this monitor for a while now. We did that unboxing a couple of months ago, and so far he's loved the monitor, had very good experiences, hasn't really gotten much better at the game, but there's only so much a monitor can help. In this video we've left some extra footage for you to look at it in use. If anyone wants to comment if they like the extra footage, if you find it helpful, please leave us a message. Also, if there's any questions, feel free to ask, and I ask if you guys can like and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching the video. Thanks so much for watching our video, and we hope you really enjoyed the content. We enjoy making it. And of course, please like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thanks so much.